Hi guys, 1 minute video for this Nissan Terra basic upgrade. So ito, in-upgrade na namin siya, pinalitan namin yung busina niya. So mas malakas na yung busina nito. Then for the Nissan Terra, ito yung basic package namin. So nilagyan namin siya ng cladding. Kitang-kita nyo, mas lumapad, black on black. Then nilagyan namin siya ng carbon door ball para hindi magasgas kasi black to. This is the basic package for the Nissan Terra. Rain visor. Ito yung main visor for the Nissan Terra. Kinabatin natin siya, malinis. Going inside, noise reducer para mas tahimik. Door seal, black liner, full matting. Kinabatin natin siya. Then steering wheel cover, version 2. Dumating yung stocks namin again. Ultra HD camera. Ito, naka-install na. Ito yung second row, covered na covered. Made in Thailand, version 2, black liner. So ito, basic package ito for the Nissan Terra. Check out our video sa YouTube, kasama na itong likod, basic setup Terra. Thank you!